Good morning, all of you. My name is Himanshu Rajput. I am PGT Computer Science from Kendriya Vidyalaya number 1 at Force Station, Agra. And on behalf of Kendriya Vidyalaya Santan Regional Office, Agra, I am before you to give a lesson note and a video lesson on the topic data visualization for the students of class 12 informatics practices. So, here we are going forward. A picture is a word, a thousand words. Most of us are familiar with this statement. Data visualization plays an essential role in the representation of both small and large scale data. It especially applies when trying to explain the analysis of increasingly large dataset. It's a discipline of trying to expose the data to understand it by placing it in a visual context. Whenever we are showing our data in a pictorial manner on any platform or a screen, it is said to be a data visualization. So, there are some purposes for it. It helps in the better analysis of the problem. We can take a quick action to resolve our problems. We can study different patterns. We can find errors. We can understand the story and we can explore business insights over that data. For this, we have a library in Python known as Python's Matplotlib library. So in this lesson, we will go for theory as well as we will try to find out how can we create or develop programs for developing and displaying plottings different type of charts. So first of all, there are many type of plots that can be used using the matplotlib library, such as line plot, bar graph, histogram, pie chart, frequency polygon, box plot, scatter plot, etc. In this lesson, we will go for the three one. These are pie chart. A pie graph or a pie chart is a special graph used in stats. The independent variable is plotted around a circle. It is actually a circular or oval shaped chart. In this, the syntax is we have to import matplotlib.pyplot library and the function we used will be py function and it holds some arguments like data. It represents the array of data values to be plotted. The fractional area of each slice is represented by data. Some labels. It is a list of sequence of a string which sets the label to each partition of that pie. Some color attribute to give different colors. One more attribute which is autopct. It is actually a string that displays the percentage value of the holding of the each share of the pie and shadow to give the 3D shadow in the created pie. Now come to the programming part. Here we have created a program. So for it we have to use import matplotlib.pyplot as plt. Here plt is an object of the matplotlib.pyplot, or we can say it's as a aliasing or short form for that imported library. Now what we have to do, we have some data to be plotted. So for this, we have taken label like candidate 1, candidate 2, candidate 3 and candidate 4. These are the labels to be displayed on our pie chart. Data is some votes. So votes are having some integer values 315, 113, 245, 210 and some colors for different partitions of the pie. One more attribute, explode. When we use explode, the slice or the partition of the pie becomes separated from the original pie. Here we have used 0, 0, 0.2, 0. It means it is at the position 3. So the candidate 3 slice gets separated. Now get some more, like in first one, if we provide 0.1 and try to execute this code, what we get? We get the candidate 1 and 3 all goes separated. So in this way, we can separate different partition from the original file. And the function used to develop or show the file is plt.py, which takes the data in the form of words in this case, and then explode. So for explode, we have given the value from this variable my explode, then label are equal to label, which are candidate 1, 2, and 3, and so on, and colors, which is the list of color: gold, yellow, green, light color, light coral, and light sky blue. Then auto PCT in the form of this 2.2, starting from the percent sign and ending from the percent sign, for getting it in the form of percentage sharing. Like in this, what we see, the candidate 3 get the 27.22%, candidate 4 23.33%, candidate 1 35.00, and candidate 2 14.44. If we are going to use it's like 2.1 or 0, what we get? This. We don't have any fractional part in this case because we have used point 0, only 0 place. If we use 1 place, so it will get like 22, 7.2, 23.2, or like 5. So what we get? Like this: 23.333, 14.4444, 5. So this is the format for the auto precision, auto percentage shareholding of the that candidate or the data to be displayed. One more attribute, which is shadow, to give it is the 3D shadow. So if we use it as false, so it become, one second, false. So the shadow aspect of the picture drawn is eliminated now. So to get the shadow, we use the shadow true to make it like 3D structure. And after that, what we use? We use plt.show to display the created chart. One more thing can be used here, like plt.legend. What is display? It displays the list of legends that has been used in the program. So here candidate 1, 2, 3, and 4. We have 4 categories, so all the legends are shown here. We can give here title also. Title equal votes